Hi Kenzie, how are you? Uh, Good afternoon. Is my workplace visible to you properly? Hi Upasana ma'am. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Like my voice is clear and this workplace is clear? Please let me know if my workplace is clear or no, and my voice also. Today, like I'll teach you Tanjavur type of painting. Okay, this is normally called as Tanjore painting. Please let me know if it is clear. Everything is clear, right? Okay, then I'll start. Okay, then. Thank you, Kenzie. Thank you. I'll start then. So, today I'm going to teach you Tanjavur painting. Okay, this is Tanjore painting. This is in Tamil Nadu fame painting. Okay, so this is usually done for gods and all with gold. Okay, with gold this is usually done, but here this is not Tanjore painting. Everyone now will do only Tanjavur type of painting, not that painting. We'll just do Tanjavur type of painting. Okay, the original Tanjavur painting is done with gold. Okay, so here we use gold outliners, 3D outliners. We just use gold 3D outliners. You can also use, like these days they are also using molded to do, they are adding different colors, but usually a Tanjore painting is done with gold. Okay, gold, pure 22 carats or 24 carat gold. Tanjore painting is done normally for god pictures and all, for idols. This type of painting is done. Okay, so this is famous in Tamil Nadu, and this gets an embossed look. Okay, embossed look. Nowadays we are using different colors, but actual Tanjore painting, to represent, like to show an actual Tanjore painting, we just need to show the original. See, this way. See, I'll just show you this type of Tanjore painting. Okay, ఎవరండి విజయ్ చూడు. So today I'll just teach you this type of painting. See, this is they normally use more gold color. Okay, other colors are not that much used in this Tanjore type of painting. Tanjore painting, actually Tanjore type of painting, nowadays all are using different colors and different types of ways to do this type of painting. So today I'll just teach you with 3D gold outliners. Okay. So first you need to trace the. Thank you, Upasna ji. Thank you. So today I'll teach this only. Today I'm going to teach this only. I'll just teach how to emboss. See, you can just see how this is embossed. See, normally Tanjore painting, in Tanjore painting, the peacock or any god like Lord Venkateshwara, Ganesh ji and all, they draw. Because this is easy one, this is the basic one, I choose this. Rest of all are a bit difficult, but you can try. After doing this, you can just try those all. I'll also send some printouts, from pictures to take printouts like Lord Venkateshwara and all. You can do those also, but the basic thing I'll say now. Okay, so see here you have some kind of embossed feeling, right? So this type of thing I'll say you, and you can also use mold it. See, mold it you can do, and you can just roll it, and you can make it thin strings, strips and all. Thin strips you can make slowly, and then you can just apply it over here, like in on this peacock, and you can color it. But I suggest you generally to represent, hi Bindu ma'am, generally see, to represent that original Tangier painting, you just use this gold glitter, means gold 3D outliner, because it looks so beautiful. And you just need to color with black acrylic first. Okay, on the canvas you just need canvas or cardboard, anything you wish. You just need to do black acrylic first. On that you need to trace the picture. Okay, on that you need to trace the picture. So I'll just start doing this. So first I'll just start the just do the outline first. See, just take one part. I'm just taking the this feather of the peacock first. First I'll take this part, and I'm doing the outline. Here in this Tangier type of painting, we just need to give some gaps between, like we means like we can't give any borders, right? So that's the reason we just can't give any borders again on this, because on painting, if you draw a painting and after that you can just draw the borders with the black colors, like black acrylic paint with the brush. But here we can't do that way, because directly we are using this 3D cone. So see, we just need to give some leave some borders first, only first itself, and then do the painting. See here, if after I'm doing this, you can just, it's in canvas board. Actually this is in canvas board, this is in canvas board, but this is see, our Bindu madam said, right, how to do a canvas with bakram. This one is that. Okay, see, this is just an like this is just a cardboard sheet. On that I have like applied the bakram. So see, now I'll say how to fill it up. See, please do see carefully. Just you just turn it a bit like this. You'll just need to take so much of gold glitter. Okay, you just need to apply it much to so much. See, you just need to apply this so much. See, in this way, you just need to apply so much of gold 3D outliner. You just need to bring the embossing like it is bulged out or something. You just need to show that effect. Okay, in this way you just need to show that effect. You'll just need so many of the tubes, because this is a bit bigger one. You just need so many of tubes, but this looks so beautiful. Okay, it looks as original, like original Tangier painting only it looks. Okay, so in this way you're able to see, right? You can see this is little bit embossed. See, in this way you just need to do. Okay, in this type, if you use 3D cone outliners, you can just represent the original Tangier painting. That's the reason I'm just saying you this with this 3D outliner. Or else we can also do with mold it and all, but this gets an perfect Tangier painting effect. So that's the reason I'm just saying with this. See, you just need to apply more, okay? See, I just left gaps in between. You are able to see, right? See, I just left the gaps because we just can't do border off after applying this. I'm just leaving the borders and I'm doing the work, okay? See, I'm just leaving the border and I'm doing the work. If your border is fulfilled, you just take in a pin and just you can just bring out the border. When it is not yet dried, you just need to bring out the border in this way, okay? You can just take a pencil also, pencil with a sharp, see, you can just take a pencil with a sharp edge and just you can just clear that and make a border. You are able to understand, right, how I am doing? One second, my this one is getting leaked out. One second, my bottle is getting leaked out. Be careful and check the cap properly whether it is leaking or no and everything. See the like see for this type of this 3D cone liners are very much like a gold uh, one only. You can just bring the gold effect by this. That's the reason I'm using this 3D cone outliners. You can just bring the gold effect only. Like it look like gold only. Same. See, you have I have already showed you this one, right? See, this is just like gold, right? That's the reason 3D cone outliners are used in this Tanjore type of painting. Tanjavur type of painting. Tan type of you need to use type of painting because this is not original Tanjavur Tanjavur painting. Okay, so this takes some time. So here you are able to understand, right, what I am trying to say. How to do this all you are understanding, right? So again, here you just do the outline first and then fill it up, okay? See, just do the outline first and then fill it up. See, in this way. No, you can't use metallic gold, can say, because you just need an embossing effect. It should bulge out, like it should come up with the gold outliner only. You need to do, okay? You can use means what metallic gold color when means, yeah, in some cases see here inside for filling. Here I have used gold metallic color, but for this all you just need to use gold outliner only because you need the embossing effect, okay? That's the reason you just need to use this one. Okay. So be careful while drawing because you just need to leave the border. Okay. Slowly you need to draw. Okay. See, in this way you just need to slowly draw because you need to leave the border. That's the reason you just need to be careful because see the gaps between are very thin. See, I am just leaving a thin border. You should leave only thin border. Okay. See, my 3D outliner got spilled up. That's then that way. Then you just need to clear it with a pencil which is sharp. Okay, not a blunt one, which is sharp. See, I'm doing with blunt one, but you don't do with the blunt one. Okay. See, you're able to see, right? So you can do different kind of paintings in this way. Like mostly we do gods painting only, like Lord Venkateshwara and all, Ma Durga and all. We usually do those type of painting only for with this Tanjavur because see this is usually a gold plate, like gold one. Everything is gold and all in this. So gods have so much of gold, right? So to represent the god, the pure feeling and all, we just use this type of paintings in Tamil Nadu. See, see how I'm leaving the gaps. You're able to see, right? How I'm leaving the gaps. So this way you just need to leave the gaps very carefully, okay? Or else you'll just mix it up. You'll just mix it up. Be careful, okay? See, I'm not doing this. Thank you, Rolly ma'am. I'm not doing with this. So I'm not doing this like just doing it by my own. Uh, I'm not doing like the printout one. You can just do on the printout also, no issues. I'm just doing it I'm just drawing it by my own. I have no time to trace the picture properly, so I'm just doing it by my own. I don't have time to trace the picture, so I'm just doing it by my own. See, everyone can see, right? You'll after drying now, you touch once, you just can feel the embossed effect. Like you can just see the thing which is raised up and all. It will look beautiful. Okay. So yeah, like you can stick kundan stones, or see, if you don't have stones, kundans also, you can do one thing. See, I have done here, right? See, here how I have done. I just have applied acrylic paint first, red acrylic paint. On that, I have just kept a drop of glass paint. So then it will just look as a kundan or a stone. Okay, got it? Can see? Sorry, Sukanya ji. If you don't have stones, also you can just keep stones. You can just keep stones and all. If you can't get the same size of stones, or if you can't use the stones, if you don't have the stones, that's the reason I have kept glass paintings also in the material. You can just check out. So with glass paint, first you just need to apply acrylic paint. After that you just need to, hi Shipraji, after that you just need to drop, I'll just show you that also how to do. Just drop one drop of glass paint on that acrylic paint. After it dries up, then it will look like a kundan only, it will look like a stone only, it will look more beautiful. Okay. So hope you are understanding. Please let me know if you have any doubt or something, just ask me. I'll just clarify. So I'll just complete this part first, and then I'll just say you how to do this all. Okay. See carefully, very carefully you need to do. Okay. Hope you're understanding. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Everyone is understanding, right? See, able to see, right, everyone? See, it just needs some concentration. That is the reason I'm just doing it very quietly. Because if the lines are missed, then it will get messy. So that's the reason I'm just doing it quietly. See, if lines are mixed up, please do this way, okay? Please do this way. You'll your hands will pain, so if you want, you can just take your own time and do, no problem. If your hands are paining too much, then you just take some time, take some rest, and then do again, because your hands will definitely pain. So your hands will definitely pain. See, you'll get pain over here. So you can take some rest or something. You can just keep it aside for some time, or you can do that way. Okay. So this way, see, all are able to see, right? See, just be sure that you just apply more amount of gold outliner over here. See, you should just emboss. It should just come up. Okay.
ఎంత ఉండు చెప్పాను కదా దేనికన్నా నువ్వు ఏడు ఎన్ని గంటలు ఉంటావు ఈ గంట నువ్వు వచ్చి ఎంత పోయి నువ్వు ఎంత నువ్వు ఎవరిని అడుగుతున్నావు నువ్వు ఎవరిని అడుగుతున్నావు నువ్వు ఎవరిని అడుగుతున్నావు కోపడతావేంటి కోపడతావేంటి నీకు ఎంత పని చేస్తున్నావు నేను కోపడతావేంటి నీకు ఎంత పని చేస్తున్నావు కోపడుతున్నావు ఉండు ఎంతసేపంటే ఉండు సామాన్లు తెచ్చొద్దా ఉత్తుకున్నా తీసుకుపోతావా 150 కూర్చోని చెప్తావు కూర్చోలే మరి ఎంత పని చేస్తున్నావు ఏంటి ఎవరినే కోపడతావు నువ్వు
So this way you just need to
పని చేస్తున్నావా ఎవరినే కోపడతావు నువ్వు ఎవరికి చెప్తున్నావా నువ్వు ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు ఏడు మాట్లాడుతున్నావు నువ్వు నీకు ఎంత పని చేస్తున్నావు నేను ఎవరికి చెప్తున్నావు నువ్వు సమాధానం ఎవరికి చెప్తున్నావు నువ్వు సమాధానం ఎవరికి పోయి చెప్తున్నావు నువ్వు సమాధానం ఎవరికి చెప్తున్నావా అందు చేస్తున్నాం కదా కళ్ళు కనిపించట్లా ఇంటి దాకా ఉండవు
so 1 second I'll bring you sorry, I'm really sorry. My baby got like my baby is crying, so I went. Sorry. So everyone is understanding, right? Please let me know if you are not understanding.
మాట్లాడటం తప్పది నువ్వు మాట్లాడటం తప్పది ఎందుకు తప్పు కాదు నేనేటన్నా నేనేమన్నా నేనేమనలేదు నేనేమన్నా నేనేమన్నాను నేను నువ్వేటన్నా నీకు కాబే చెప్తున్నావు పక్కన చేస్తున్నావు కనకనబడ పెట్టి
So see, so this way Everyone is able to understand, right?
రిని
నేను క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నాను.
వికాస్ ఒక కుర్చీ పట్టాల పైకి. సరే తినేసావా? లేదు. తినేసా. సరే బా. పట్టుకొచ్చేస్తాను కుర్చీ. ఇది పక్కన పెట్టాను, వస్తాను అని తింటాను కదా. బా రానా, కుర్చీ తీసుకున్నాను.
So see, in this way.
కుర్చీ అంటారు.
ఇగో ఇది తీసుకెళ్ళి, ఇది తీసుకెళ్ళి. So this way we just need to fill it up. Okay, now see, everyone is able to see, right, what I am doing. Please let me know if you are not understanding. I'll just repeat it again. So here you just draw the outline, and inner part you can just do with the gold metallic color. Okay, gold metallic acrylic color you can just do paint. So see, you are getting right. You just be careful, it should be thick. Okay, this gold 3D gold outliner should be thick. Okay, see, everyone is getting right what I am doing. After that you just keep the dot. See, I'm how I'm doing here. Just see, check out. See, I just drawn the boxes. Okay, I have drawn the boxes, and in the middle of the box, just keep the 3D cone and pull it up. Okay, just keep the 3D cone. See, bring out some color, gold color, and just keep it up here and pull it up. Okay, just keep it up.
అయిపోయిందా అయిపోయిందా
See, just pull it up. Okay, in this way, just pull it up. So just cover the boxes by pulling it up in this way. See, you can just see how it came up. See, you can see, right? Everyone can see, right? Okay, see, you can just check it out once over here. See how it came up. See, in that way, you just don't, you should not even touch it up. Okay, you just need to leave it that way only. Then only it will be good. Okay, so it should emboss, like it should come up. Okay, see how it came like hills. So this, you should not touch it. You just need to dry up that way only. Okay, it should dry up that way only. Okay, when you touch it, you should feel it. Okay, you should feel it. Okay, next for the body part, I'll just say the body part now. You just take the acrylic colors. Okay, take acrylic colors, white and pink. You just mix it up, or you can just take some skin color also, your wish. You can just take the skin color. Where is my skin color? You can just take the skin color also. తెచ్చవా ఏది చేయలేదు క్లాత్ ఏమన్నా ఇక్కడ ఓకే see this way you can just apply skin color. अच्छे लोग తెచ్చి so this way you just need to color the body. You can just color with skin color. We see skin color should not be too much dark. Okay, it should be light because the background is dark. Thank you, Bindu ma'am. So see this way. For showing the difference, I'll just use a bit pink, because see, gold and after gold and the skin color resembles the same, like bit same. So I'll just use the pink. You can use any pink your wish, no issues. Pink or red, very lightly, not the dark. Okay. So be careful while doing, okay? You just shade it, okay? With this pink, just shade with the pink, okay? Just do the shading with the pink. If you think your pink is so much, then just take a bit white and you can just apply it, but my pink is okay. So next, now let it dry it up. Now I'll just say how to do the kundan work, okay? That kundan wala work, how to do, I'll just say. Just take red acrylic and green acrylic, dark green acrylic, okay? Dark green. See, just take this green and red acrylic and apply it over here in this way, boxes way. You just apply it in this way, okay? Apply a bit, means take more amount of color, okay? Take more amount of color and just apply it, okay? See here also. Sorry, that one is not yet ready. I'll just show you here only. That one is not yet dried. So green color you take it, and now you just take more amount of color, okay? More amount of color, like a drop, and just spread it over here. See how I'm doing? Please look how I'm doing. properly. I'm just taking more amount of water, color. Okay, after that take, let it dry it up. Okay, it should dry it up. It should dry very properly. Okay, should dry. This one should dry. Okay, after that only you can apply glass colors over it. So you just draw the borders over here. First only you can draw the borders. I have forgot to draw the borders. Now also you can do, no issues. See. Okay. Everyone is able to see, right, what I am doing. So now it is dried up, right? So here you need to just do the borders. Okay, this way you just need to keep it over there also. Okay, see, everyone got right how to do this embossing wala thing. Hope you are understanding. And here okay. So now take a black color, take just black color and just you can just decorate it over here like so. See, everyone is able to see, right? Now let us draw the eye. For this only body you can just draw the outline with black. Okay, because For acrylic, you can just do the outline. So eye you can just draw that way, or you can also just trace it. No problem. I have no time to trace. That's the reason I am just drawing it myself. So after drying it up, you can just here also just you can just be careful. It should not touch the 3D outliner. It will mess up. So just be careful while doing. So this way you just need to draw. Okay, you're understanding, right? How I have done. So just take, and you also need to do the border. Okay, you just need to border the same way how I have done here. So you just need to use gold metallic color. See, you just need to use the gold metallic color over here. Here you just apply it in between. Okay, in this way you just apply the color in between here. So after it dries up, you can just keep acrylic red color over it. You just keep a drop of acrylic red color over it. Okay, and now glass colors. After it dries up, you just take glass colors. See, glass color tomato red. You just take and keep a drop this way. Okay, just don't move the uh, painting. Okay, just need to take the drops. ऐसे drop रखना है, ऐसे एक drop रखना है, ठीक है? Okay. So in this way you just need to put the drop. Okay, just keep the drop of glass colors on that dried acrylic paint. See, you can just see an kundan effect. Okay, you can just see an kundan effect. Uh, as it is already 4, I'll just wind it up and I'll just complete it and I'll just post it in the group. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Please let me know. Sorry, today it's bit like it will take time. This Tanjore painting will obviously take some time. It should be done very carefully and very slowly. So so you got it right. Here also you just need to apply red color in the between. Okay, red color you need to apply in the between, and then on that you just need to apply glass colors, that will be an kundan effect. Okay, stones effect, you'll just can see stone effect on that. Okay, actually this process is very easy compared to the molded process. Okay, so molded process you just need to do so much, but I think that would not look that fine. And so just this one will look great if you do it carefully. Okay, and you should also do the border. Should also do the border work. Okay, see, I'll just show you how to do the border work.
Hi.
You can just take
ఏంట్రా హాయ్ కొంచెం స్లోగాను వస్తుంది హాయ్ అమ్మ అమ్మ కొట్టిందా చెప్పు టీచర్ కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం హాయ్ ఖుషి
Vijay, Pitra.
Go. Jaddan
So you can just take this 3D outliner and you just need to do the border in this way. Okay, just make a line like this.
చూపించే ఖుషి
ఇంకోటి ఇచ్చారా 2 ఒకటేనా అయితే ఇంకోటి తర్వాత తీసుకుంటే కంప్లీట్ గా ఉన్నట్టుంది. ఓకే ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఒక 5 minutes వెళ్ళిపోతారు.
ఏడుస్తారేంటి
ఎవరు
ఏంటి స్టాప్ చేయండి. అదేంటి కొత్తగా కావాలని మిషన్ సాయి ఏడ్చాడని ఏడుస్తున్నావా? అంతే నచ్చి జట్టి గుడ్ బాయ్ అంటుంటే
See, in this way you just need to draw the outline and you just do this way. Okay, in this way you just need to do the boxes. Okay, you're getting me right? You can see right how what I'm doing over here. See, just make boxes in this way. Upper one line, niche one line, and then upper one line, niche one line with this gold outliner, and just do boxes. Okay, so this will be your border on the 4 sides. Okay, so this will be the border on the 4 sides you need to draw. Okay, see, in this way you just need to draw border on the 4 sides, and then you need to fill it up with acrylic color. Just fill it up with acrylic color.
ఓకే
Just need to fill it up with the brush. See, in this way you just need to fill it up with the brush. See, everyone can see, right, what I'm doing. See how I'm doing, you are able to understand, right? Just fill it up with acrylic red paint. Okay, acrylic red paint, you just need to fill it up. After the acrylic paint dries up, you just need to keep a drop of glass color over it. Okay, you just need to keep a drop of glass color over it. See, here I have kept glass colors, sorry, drop of glass colors, so it is looking, it is shiny and it is looking as if it is a stone, right? So this way you just need to draw. See, I'll just complete it and I'll just post it in the group, and for the reference I'll just keep the old one. Okay, old Tanjore peacock painting only, that also is a peacock painting, right? So see here, you just need to do this way, all borders. After that, here see, I just took a 3D outliner white color, 3D outliner white one I took, and I just kept this dots. See here, everything, if I touch here I can feel this. See, I can feel all this, I can feel all this over here. So in this way you just need to complete and just send me in the group. Okay, I'll just complete and send you the complete article in the group. Okay, okay, so I'll just wind up for today. Thank you. So have a nice day. Thanks.